Camping has come a long way from just tents, sleeping bags, and campfires. Today's outdoor adventures are getting a serious upgrade with smart inventions that make every trip easier, safer, and a whole lot more comfortable. In this video, we're diving into 15 next-level camping gadgets that are changing the way people experience the great outdoors. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just love a weekend getaway, these innovations will save you time, lighten your load, and even add a touch of luxury to life under the stars. So grab your gear, sit back, and let us explore the smartest ways to camp in 2025. Let's start with the A-Coolie Camper Kit. The A-Coolie Camper Kit is a revolutionary all-in-one kit that includes everything a modern camper might need. This compact and practical kit includes a multifunctional stove, a cooler, storage solutions, and more, all integrated into one sleek, portable design. With smart features like built-in solar panels for charging devices, you can enjoy modern conveniences while off the grid. This kit is perfect for those who want to streamline their camping experience without compromising on comfort or functionality. It's ideal for tech-savvy campers who need all their gear in one compact, easy-to-carry kit. BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus. This is the ultimate portable stove for campers who want to cook meals and generate power simultaneously. This innovative stove uses wood as fuel, and the thermoelectric technology converts the heat into electricity. The result? You can cook your food, charge your devices, and keep your campsite lit up all at once. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can track temperature and fuel efficiency from your phone, ensuring the perfect cooking experience. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus is perfect for those who love outdoor cooking but also want to harness the power of renewable energy. BougeRV FlexTail Telescopic Lantern. This is a versatile, portable lighting solution for any camping trip. What sets this lantern apart is its unique telescopic design, which allows you to adjust the height and brightness to suit your needs. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to store when not in use. This lantern also includes a built-in power bank, so you can charge your devices on the go. With multiple brightness settings and long battery life, the BougeRV FlexTail Lantern is perfect for illuminating your campsite, whether you're sitting around the fire or need a little extra light for nighttime tasks. PebbleFlow EV Travel Trailer. The PebbleFlow EV Travel Trailer is a game-changer for eco-conscious campers. Designed with electric vehicles in mind, this compact aerodynamic trailer offers sustainable living on the road. It's built with smart tech like solar power capabilities, an intelligent climate control system, and energy-efficient appliances. The trailer is lightweight and easy to tow, making it perfect for those who want to combine the joys of camping with modern, eco-friendly living. With a built-in energy system and smart features, the Pebble is not just a trailer, but a mobile, off-grid sanctuary. Lark Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. It uses UVC light to purify your water and sanitize the bottle itself, ensuring you always have clean, safe drinking water. With a sleek, modern design, this bottle can be activated with the push of a button and uses a rechargeable battery for long-lasting power. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just need water on the go, the Lark bottle ensures that you stay hydrated with the confidence that your water is free of bacteria and viruses. This is the perfect tool for campers who prioritize hygiene while minimizing their environmental footprint. Kestrel Drop Microclimate Sensor. The Kestrel Drop Microclimate Sensor is a small, portable weather station that tracks temperature, humidity, pressure, and more in real time. This gadget is ideal for campers who need accurate environmental data to optimize their outdoor experience. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and provides personalized weather data based on your location. The Kestrel Drop is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want to monitor weather conditions and adjust their activities accordingly, ensuring a safer and more comfortable camping trip. This compact device gives you real-time weather updates and forecasts in a portable form factor. WeatherFlow Tempest Solar Weather Station. The WeatherFlow Tempest Solar Weather Station is the ultimate gadget for campers who need precise weather data while off the grid. Powered by solar energy, this device tracks real-time weather conditions such as wind speed, temperature, humidity, and air pressure. With the companion app, you can receive detailed weather reports and forecasts directly on your phone. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or just hanging out at the campsite, the WeatherFlow Tempest ensures you have the weather information you need to stay safe and prepared for whatever the outdoors throws at you. Solar-powered smart backpack. A solar-powered smart backpack is the perfect solution for tech-savvy campers who want to stay connected while adventuring in the wilderness. This backpack is equipped with solar panels that charge your devices as you hike, ensuring your phone, GPS, or other gadgets stay powered up. It also includes USB ports, an organized compartment for gear, and durable construction to withstand the elements. Whether you're going for a long hike or camping in remote areas, this backpack ensures you can stay connected and powered up wherever you go.
UV Plus Hydration Tracker Smart Water Bottle. This smart water bottle is designed for campers who want to track their hydration levels while staying eco-friendly. The bottle features UVC light technology to sterilize both the water and the bottle itself, ensuring clean and safe drinking water. Additionally, the built-in hydration tracker reminds you to drink water throughout the day, helping you stay hydrated during your outdoor activities. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring, this bottle will help you stay on top of your hydration goals while also ensuring that your water is always purified. Smart Temperature Sleeping Bag. A smart temperature sleeping bag is a must-have for campers who want to stay warm and comfortable during chilly nights. Using advanced technology, the sleeping bag adjusts its insulation based on the surrounding temperature, keeping you cozy without overheating. Some versions are even equipped with heating elements that can be controlled via a smartphone app, ensuring you're always at the perfect temperature. For campers who want to take their comfort to the next level, this smart sleeping bag adapts to your needs, providing warmth and relaxation throughout the night. Smart Camping Lantern with Bluetooth and App Control. A smart camping lantern with Bluetooth and app control brings a whole new level of convenience to outdoor lighting. This lantern not only provides bright, adjustable light, but also allows you to control the brightness and color via an app on your smartphone. You can even sync it with music or set it to change colors based on your preferences, creating a cozy atmosphere around your campsite. Perfect for seniors or anyone who wants to avoid fumbling around with manual settings, this smart lantern offers both functionality and fun. Smart Backpack Clip Speaker. A smart backpack clip speaker is the ideal way for campers to enjoy music, podcasts, or audiobooks while on the go. This small, portable speaker clips right onto your backpack, so you can easily carry it while hiking, walking, or traveling. It connects to your devices via Bluetooth, offering high-quality sound with minimal effort. Whether you're setting up camp or on a trail, the speaker ensures you have access to your favorite entertainment during your outdoor adventures. It's a great addition for seniors or anyone who wants to enjoy music on the trail without needing bulky equipment.
iBobber Bluetooth Fish Finder. The iBobber Bluetooth Fish Finder is a portable, high-tech tool for campers who enjoy fishing. This device connects to your smartphone and uses sonar to detect fish underwater, helping you find the best fishing spots. It's small, lightweight, and designed to float, making it perfect for use on a boat, dock, or even from the shore. With the iBobber, you can easily track fish activity, depth, and temperature right from your phone, ensuring a more successful and enjoyable fishing experience. Whether you're a seasoned fisherman or a beginner, this device adds precision to your fishing trip. UV filter-based portable water purifier. A portable water purifier is a critical tool for campers who want to ensure access to safe drinking water in remote locations. This device uses both UV and filter-based technology to purify water from lakes, rivers, and streams, eliminating harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to use, making it the ideal tool for backpackers and campers who want to travel light but still have clean water. With just a few minutes of processing, you'll have purified water ready for drinking, cooking, or filling up your smart water bottle. Thanks for watching. From self-charging gear to tech-packed essentials, these tools are changing the way we camp. Found a favorite? Hit like, check the links below, and subscribe for more game-changing outdoor tech. Catch you in the next one. Happy trails.